What if one chat could control all your apps? You just type, "Plan a mountain trip with my family." Instantly, Claude pulls in results from apps like booking platforms with real options, pricing, and ratings. And here's the best part. You can tap any image and open it in full view. You don't switch apps. Everything appears inside one conversation. Need activities? Claude brings maps and trails. This is not just UI. This is connected UX. Multiple apps, one conversation, zero friction. This is the future of product design. Follow PX Mentor for more.